Okay, I'm a little bit disappointed about this one. When I first got the pictures of it, I wasn't that keen. Then I got some other pictures of it after it had been collected and it looked quite good. Anyway, so I had relatively high hopes for it, but this is a minor thing. This must have got broken in the container. And then I hadn't seen this the other day when we unloaded, but it looks as though the tank has also been damaged in the container, so that's not the best. And then a bigger problem really is we do the test to make sure it turns over, and it does. But can you hear that noise? That almost certainly means to me that the main bearings have gone. So it's going to need a top and bottom end rebuild, this bike. The chain was locked up, so I've taken the chain off. We'll run through some of the tests anyway. So obviously we can see it does turn over. It does have compression. Now, when I took the spark plug out to see if it's sparked, you can see it's all rusty. But it is sparking and the kill switch does work. The throttle cable was either locked up or something like that, because that's snapped. Like I say, the chain's off. It does go through the gears. So if you look at the front sprocket, it's turning there. It's in first gear. I think we'll find. It's a little bit awkward because it's on the wrong side. Second gear. Anyway, a little bit awkward, but it does go through the gears. The rims look good. No flat spots in the front, no cracks. Like I say, the tank is split. It's going to need new seat cover. Top and bottom engine rebuild. We can check the suspension when we take it down. Rear rim. No flat spots, but it's not perfect. As in, it's got a few scrapes and things. And then it's got this DG pipe, which would look nice if it was blasted. It's loose, so the rubber mount has perished and come off, and then it's not been secured properly, the pipe. So yeah, so she just needs a good going over really. Obviously the engine rebuild and then a good going over.